Hello to everyone. Here we discuss the basic analytical chemistry. In basic analytical chemistry, we studies about the different instruments and the uses of that instruments. In analytical chemistry, studies and uses the instruments and methods used to separate and identify and quantify the matter. By using the instruments, we can separate out or identify the various matter and also quantify the matters by using the instruments. It the performance of qualitative and quantitative analysis samples define, isolate, concentrate, and preserve samples, set errors limits, validate and verify results through the calibration and standardization. How to perform the separations based on the differential chemical properties, how to create new ways to make a measurements and interpret the data in proper contexts, and how to communicate their results and conclusions to other scientists. Instrumental methods. In the instrumental methods may be used to separate the samples using chromatography, electrophoresis, or field flow fractionation. In that instrumental, there are different instrumental methods which are spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy, thermal analysis, separation, hybrid techniques, etc. Qualitative analysis. In a qualitative analysis, which determines the presence or absence of a particular compounds, but not the mass or concentrations. By definition, this qualitative analysis do not measure the quantity. That means in qualitative analysis we can only determines the quality of that substances. That is the chemical test and flame test. In quantitative analysis, quantitative analysis is the measurement of the quantities of a particular chemical constituents present into the substance. For examples, the gravimetric analysis and volumetric analysis. In quantitative analysis, we can measure only the quantity of the given substances by the gravimetric or volumetric analysis method. Then classical methods. In classical qualitative methods, use the separations such as the precipitation, extractions, and distillations. In precipitation, there is a precipitation of the different compounds are takes place. Extraction and distillation techniques also included into the classical methods. Identification may be based on the differences in the color, odor, melting point, boiling point, radioactivity or reactivity. Classical quantitative analysis uses mass or volume changes to quantify the amount. Analytical chemistry, which is consist of the classicals, weight chemical methods and modern instrumental methods. In a practice separation, identification or the quantification may be constitute the entire analysis or it, it combined with another methods. Separation, which is isolates the analytes, and in qualitative analysis which identifies the analytes, which while quantitative analysis determines the numerical amount of concentration. Analytical chemistry studies and uses the instruments and methods used to separate and identify and quantify the matters. Thank you.